Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Clubman hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin. It's usually on the driver's side, down by your left foot, often marked with a hood icon. Give it a firm pull until you hear a click, which indicates the primary latch has released. This initial step is crucial for accessing the engine bay safely and efficiently. Now move to the front of your Mini Clubman. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach into this gap, feeling for a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch, designed to prevent accidental opening. It's often located near the center of the hood's leading edge, sometimes a few inches to the left or right. To release the secondary latch, you'll typically need to either push it to one side, usually to the left, or lift it upwards. While holding the latch in the release position, gently lift the hood with your other hand. It should then fully unlatch and swing open smoothly. This two-step process ensures the hood remains securely closed during driving. Once the hood is open, find the hood support rod. It's often clipped to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Detach the rod and insert its end into the designated slot on the underside of the hood or the car's frame. Make sure it's firmly seated to prevent the hood from accidentally closing. This ensures your safety while working under the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.